The artificial intelligence market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030, and ChatGPT sits at the center of this revolution. Since its launch, over 200 million people use ChatGPT weekly, but less than 5% are actually making money from it. The difference between those who profit and those who don't isn't luck. It's strategy. In 2026, ChatGPT has evolved beyond simple text generation. The latest models can analyze data, create images, write code, and even browse the web in real time. This opens up income opportunities that simply didn't exist a year ago. This video breaks down 7 proven methods to monetize ChatGPT in 2026. These aren't theories. Real people are generating anywhere from $500 to $15,000 per month using these exact techniques. Some methods require zero initial investment. Others scale into full businesses. By the end of this video, one thing will be clear. The AI gold rush isn't coming. It's already here. Content writing remains one of the fastest ways to earn with ChatGPT, but the game has changed dramatically in 2026. The global content marketing industry is worth $487 billion. Businesses need articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content every single day. ChatGPT can produce a 1,500-word article in under 3 minutes. Here's the reality. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr show over 50,000 active content writing gigs at any given time. Freelance writers charge between $50 to $500 per article, depending on complexity and industry. But there's a crucial distinction. Simply copying and pasting ChatGPT output won't work anymore. Search engines and clients can detect generic AI content. The winning strategy involves using ChatGPT as a research and drafting tool, then adding human insight, personal experience, and brand voice. Successful AI content writers follow a specific workflow. First, they use ChatGPT to research topics and generate outlines. Second, they create first drafts with specific prompts that match client requirements. Third, they manually edit for accuracy, tone, and originality. Finally, they run content through AI detection tools to ensure it passes as human-written. Freelancers using this method report earning $2,000 to $8,000 monthly. Some scale to agencies, hiring other writers and managing larger contracts. The barrier to entry is minimal. All that's needed is a ChatGPT subscription, a portfolio with 3 to 5 sample pieces, and accounts on freelance platforms. Within 30 days, most beginners land their first paid client. Digital products generated $331 billion in sales globally in 2025. This market continues accelerating in 2026. ChatGPT excels at creating sellable digital products, ebooks, templates, workbooks, checklists, planners, and course outlines. The advantage is simple. Create once, sell infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, no production costs. Take ebooks as an example. A well-researched 50-page ebook on a niche topic can sell for $9.99 to $49.99. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Amazon. Kindle Direct Publishing handle payment processing and delivery automatically. The process works like this. Identify a profitable niche through keyword research. Use ChatGPT to generate comprehensive outlines covering pain points in that niche. Expand each section with detailed information, case studies, and actionable steps. Design a professional cover using AI image generators. Publish on multiple platforms simultaneously. Real example. A creator in the productivity niche used ChatGPT to write a 60-page planner template guide. They sold it for $27 on Etsy. In 8 months, they generated $14,000 in passive income from that single product. The key is solving specific problems for specific audiences. Generic products don't sell. Hyper-focused solutions do. Other profitable digital products include social media content calendars for specific industries, email sequence templates for coaches, business plan templates for startups, resume templates for job seekers, and meal planning guides for dietary restrictions. Production cost is essentially zero. A ChatGPT Plus subscription at $20 per month is the only investment. Profit margins exceed 95% after platform fees. The software development market reached $698 billion in 2025. Yet, there's still a massive shortage of developers worldwide. ChatGPT's coding capabilities have improved significantly with GPT-4 and GPT-4o models. It can write functional code in Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, and over 20 other programming languages. It debugs errors, explains complex functions, and converts code between languages. Non-programmers are now building and selling websites, web applications, Chrome extensions, and automation scripts using ChatGPT as their coding assistant. Here's how this works in practice. A client needs a simple business website with 5 pages. Instead of spending 40 hours coding from scratch, ChatGPT generates the HTML structure, CSS styling, and JavaScript functionality in under an hour. The developer then customizes colors, images, and content to match the client's brand. Freelance developers charge $500 to $5,000 for basic websites. More complex web applications command $10,000 to $50,000. With ChatGPT handling the heavy lifting, even beginners complete projects 10 times faster than traditional coding. Another opportunity lies in Chrome extensions. These are small software programs that enhance browser functionality. The Chrome Web Store has over 200,000 extensions, with popular ones generating thousands in monthly revenue through ads or premium features. One developer created a simple grammar checking extension using ChatGPT's code generation. They charge $499 per month for premium features. With 2,300 active subscribers, that's $11,477 in monthly recurring revenue. Automation scripts represent another income stream. Businesses pay $200 to $2,000 for custom Python scripts that automate repetitive tasks, data entry, web scraping, report generation, email sorting, and file management. Learning resources are abundant and free. ChatGPT itself teaches coding concepts. YouTube offers thousands of tutorials. Within 90 days of focused learning, beginners complete their first paid coding project. Social media advertising spending reached $207 billion globally in 2025. Businesses understand that social presence directly impacts revenue. The challenge? Creating consistent, engaging content across multiple platforms consumes enormous time and creativity. This is where ChatGPT creates opportunity. Social media managers charge $500 to $5,000 per month per client, depending on the number of platforms and posting frequency. Most manage 310 clients simultaneously, generating $5,000 to $30,000 monthly. ChatGPT accelerates every aspect of social media management. It generates post captions, creates content calendars, writes engaging hooks, develops hashtag strategies, scripts short-form videos, and responds to comments with brand-appropriate messaging. The workflow is straightforward. First, analyze the client's brand voice and target audience. Second, create a 30-day content calendar using ChatGPT, specifying topics, post types, and optimal posting times. Third, generate actual post content with platform-specific formatting. Fourth, schedule posts using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. What previously took 15 hours per week now takes 3 hours. This time, efficiency allows managing more clients or delivering higher quality strategy. Specific niches pay premium rates. Real estate agents, fitness coaches, restaurants, e-commerce brands, and local service businesses. These industries recognize social media's ROI, but lack time or expertise to manage it themselves. Starting requires no special qualifications. Build a portfolio by managing accounts for free initially. Document results with screenshots showing follower growth, engagement rates, and website traffic. After managing 2 to 3 accounts successfully, transition to paid clients. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and local business directories provide endless client prospects. The typical sales cycle takes 2 to 4 weeks from initial contact to signed contract. Email marketing generates $42 for every $1 spent, according to 2025 data. This 4,200% return on investment makes it one of the most profitable digital marketing channels. Every business with an email list needs regular campaigns, promotional emails, newsletters, product launches, abandoned cart sequences, and welcome series. ChatGPT writes all of these in minutes. Email copywriters charge per project or monthly retainers. A single email sequence of 5 to 7 emails costs $500 to $2,000. Monthly retainer clients pay $1,000 to $5,000 for ongoing email marketing support. The skill lies in understanding conversion psychology and email structure. ChatGPT handles the writing, but humans optimize for results. Effective email copy follows proven formulas. Attention-grabbing subject lines, personalized openings, clear value propositions, storytelling elements, social proof, and compelling calls to action. ChatGPT applies these frameworks when prompted correctly. Real case study. An email marketer used ChatGPT to create a 7-email product launch sequence for a fitness coach. The campaign generated $67,000 in sales over 10 days. The marketer charged $1,500 for writing the sequence, which took 4 hours with ChatGPT's assistance. Finding clients happens through multiple channels. Cold outreach on LinkedIn targets business owners with existing email lists. Freelance platforms like Upwork feature hundreds of email writing projects daily. Networking in online business communities leads to referrals and long-term partnerships. Building expertise requires studying successful email campaigns, understanding email marketing platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp, and analyzing metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. The most successful email copywriters specialize in specific industries: e-commerce, SaaS, coaching, real estate, or financial services. Specialization allows commanding higher rates and delivering better results through industry-specific knowledge. The online education market exceeded $350 billion in 2025. Demand for specialized knowledge continues growing across virtually every subject. ChatGPT transforms anyone with expertise into an online educator. It creates course outlines, writes lesson scripts, generates quizzes, develops study guides, and produces supplementary materials. 2 primary monetization paths exist: live tutoring and pre-recorded courses. Live tutoring through platforms like tutor.com, Visant, or Chegg pays $15 to $100 per hour depending on subject complexity. Math, science, programming, and test prep command highest rates. ChatGPT assists by generating practice problems, explaining complex concepts in simpler terms, and creating customized study plans for each student. Tutors working 20 hours weekly earn $200 to $8,000 monthly. The work is flexible, location independent, and requires only a computer and internet connection. Pre-recorded courses offer scalability. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare host courses on thousands of topics. Popular courses generate $500 to $10,000 monthly in passive income. Course creation workflow with ChatGPT. First, identify a profitable topic through market research. Second, use ChatGPT to outline comprehensive curriculum covering beginner to advanced levels. Third, script each video lesson with clear learning objectives. Fourth, generate downloadable resources like worksheets, checklists, and reference guides. Fifth, record videos using screen recording software or AI avatar tools. Finally, publish on course platforms and market through social media and email. A real example. A graphic designer created a Canva course using ChatGPT for script writing. The 3-hour course priced at $49 sold 1,147 copies in the first year, generating $90,503 in revenue. The most profitable course topics in 2026: AI tools and automation, digital marketing, freelancing skills, financial literacy, programming languages, content creation, and business strategy. Initial time investment is significant, typically 40 to 80 hours to create a comprehensive course. However, once published, courses generate passive income indefinitely with minimal maintenance. The chatbot market reached 9.4 billion in 2025 and continues expanding rapidly. Businesses implement chatbots for customer service, lead generation, appointment scheduling, and sales support. ChatGPT's API allows developers to create custom chatbots without extensive programming knowledge. These chatbots integrate with websites, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and other platforms. Businesses pay $1,000 to $10,000 for custom chatbot development, plus monthly maintenance fees of $200 to $1,000. A single developer managing 10 chatbot clients generates $2,000 to $10,000 in recurring monthly revenue. Chatbots solve real business problems. They handle customer inquiries 24/7, reducing support costs by up to 70%. They qualify leads automatically before human sales teams engage. They book appointments without back and forth email exchanges. They answer frequently asked questions instantly, improving customer satisfaction. Industries with highest chatbot demand include healthcare, appointment scheduling, e-commerce, product recommendations, real estate, property inquiries, restaurants, reservation management, and professional services. Lead qualification. The technical process involves understanding business requirements, designing conversation flows, training the chatbot with business-specific information, integrating with existing systems through APIs, testing thoroughly, and deploying to the client's platform. Multiple tools simplify chatbot development. ChatFuel, ManyChat, and LandBot offer no-code platforms. For more advanced functionality, ChatGPT's API combined with platforms like Zapier creates powerful automations. A concrete example: a developer built a lead qualification chatbot for a real estate agency. The bot asks website visitors about property preferences, budget, and timeline, then sends qualified leads directly to agents. The agency paid $3,500 for development and $400 monthly for maintenance. The chatbot qualified 240 leads in the first month, with 18 converting to sales worth $247,000 in commissions. Learning chatbot development takes 2 to 4 weeks of focused study. Resources include ChatGPT API documentation, YouTube tutorials, and platform-specific training courses. Marketing chatbot services works best through direct outreach to businesses that would benefit most, contacting website owners whose sites lack chat support, reaching out to busy service providers, drowning in customer inquiries, and networking in business owner communities. These 7 methods represent tested pathways to earning with ChatGPT in 2026. None require massive initial investment. All scale based on time and effort invested. The most successful approach combines multiple methods. A freelancer might write content for clients while building digital products for passive income. A developer might offer chatbot services while creating online courses teaching others. The AI economy is still in early stages. Those who develop skills now position themselves ahead of inevitable competition. The window of opportunity is open, but it won't stay this wide forever. The real question isn't whether ChatGPT can generate income. Data proves it can. The real question is, which method aligns with existing skills and interests? Starting with one method, mastering it, then expanding to others creates sustainable income growth. ChatGPT eliminates traditional barriers, expensive education, technical expertise, and massive time investment. What remains is execution. The tools exist. The market exists. The only variable is action. The earning potential with ChatGPT in 2026 isn't theoretical. It's measurable, proven, and accessible to anyone willing to learn and consistently apply these methods.